Obaseki don sama Edo Police Command 7 days to look inside the ritualist den for Benin. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don give the Edo State Police Command and other ogbonge authorities 7 days make dem find the true situation for the alleged discovery of the ritualist den wey dem find for Ekenwa Road for Benin City. Crusoe Osage, wey be the special adviser to the Edo State Governor on Media Project wey represent Governor Obaseki, tok dis one for press meeting wey e do with the State Police Command to provide updates for Thursday for Government House Benin City.
From government, we also want to call for calm from the public. We don't want to preempt the outcome of police investigation, but the police is actively doing their investigation. There are a lot of speculations going around. Some people suspect that the place is a quack, morgue where they preserve bodies. All kinds of speculations are out there. So we're going to leave that to the police to conclude their investigation and brief of exactly what was going on there. Some people have been apprehended, they are undergoing questioning. Some people are still being looked for. They will be apprehended and they will contribute useful information as well. And in due course, the government has actually given us 7 days for them to come back to us with details of what they found out. Was this just a morgue? Was any ritual involved? What actually is the situation? No conclusions have been drawn yet. So the police will be allowed to do his work. They are actively on it, and we're going to give them time to come back to us and brief us. So we're going to ensure that we continually brief the public exactly what is going on and what the situation is.
Deputy Commissioner for Police Olawore Oluwole Konya say make the people for the states dey calm, say them go do their best to investigate the matter very well. He tok say dem find one bungalow for Asoro Ekenwa Road, Benin City, where dem see plenty dead body and other items like generators, gas and oxygen cylinder wey dem find. He con tok say dem don gbab 5 people wey dey connected to the matter.
Based on credible intelligence, an accommodation for bungalow was located at Asoro Hill, Zebo Quarters, Ekenwa Road, Benin City, and that bungalow we have found some dried bodies and some items in that house like generator, gas cylinder, oxygen cylinder, and some bodies. And while the investigation was in progress, 5 suspects were arrested. So far, we are still looking for one of the suspects, and frantic effort is being made to reach him at short notice. I want to appeal to all members of the public to remain calm as the command will assure that every effort will be made to reach the suspects and every other detail that is necessary to be unraveled. So once again, I want to appeal to everybody to remain calm.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.